Have you ever stopped to think about the meaning behind the Flash's iconic lightning bolt? It's more than just a flashy logo. What if I told you this simple symbol could be hiding a dark, underground secret that's been buried for centuries? The lightning bolt, universally known for its speed, has been a sign of power for ages. But what if it's not just about running fast? What if it's a coded reference to ancient energy manipulation techniques that certain secret societies have been using for centuries? Some believe that the lightning bolt is a symbol of control over something much more powerful than electricity, time itself. The Flash's ability to break the time barrier isn't just fiction. It's a hint at the lost science of time, travel, and energy control that these societies have suppressed. But here's the kicker. The first recorded use of the lightning bolt as a symbol traces back to the secretive alchemists of the Middle Ages, who were obsessed with harnessing the power of lightning to manipulate the fabric of reality. And now the lightning bolt is making a resurgence in pop culture, with the Flash using it as his emblem. What if the Flash's lightning bolt isn't just a simple superhero logo? Could it be a signpost pointing to a hidden conspiracy where science, time, and control are all tied together in a deadly game for power? Keep your eyes peeled because the truth might be out there, and it's shocking. The next time you see that iconic emblem, remember, there's more to that lightning bolt than meets the eye. It's not just about speed, it's about control. And who's really holding the reins?